Hi, it's Yvonne Dalorto, and as promised, some more little quick tips on how to use some of the Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar resources. And today I'm looking at something completely different. It's the free resources that come from the Jolly Learning UK page. And as you can see here, there's a screenshot of the available resources that are free. And today I'm looking at the search and find resource that is a wonderful image that can be used in a lot of ways. And I'm just going to show you how you can use this for your online or in-class teaching. Perhaps if you have it up on a smart board or even on your screen, it can be used in many ways. So let's have a look at it. It's got a lot of information on here, and it can be used as an icebreaker to start the class, where we can look for the initial sounds of the foods. And also it's a good one too, because it's so highly visual, and most of the children we have today are audio visual learners. But also we can select words that come from here that are within the sound groups that the children know. So we can do some blending and segmenting. Maybe you can do this with the scribe feature on your computer, or even a whiteboard that you can hold up. And we can look for words that are easy to blend and segment, like corn and melon and garlic. Also, if we're going to look at the wider curriculum, there's so many things here, the elements to revise very quickly. We're using the same format, but it can revise so many different areas of the curriculum, such as colours, making connection with the wider curriculum of what children know and what they don't know. We can talk about likes and dislikes, which is covering social and emotional learning. There's so many math concepts here, like how many, size, and quantities, if it's big or if it's small. Also, plant or vegetable, we can be touching a little bit of science, and where does it come from? Where does a pepper come from? Where does an apple come from? Global knowledge. So as you can see, there's lots of questions going on here, and we're also utilizing a lot of language. We can be modeling the language, we can be listening for language. So it can work as an assessment tool as well. And this is just a little activity, and it's got so many things that can be done. Now, what I've done here is I've cropped and I've zoomed into a little part of the sheet, because there's a lot of things that are here. And what I'm going to do is an observation and listening task. So again, these are skills that children are losing because they're online, they're easily distracted. So it's asking them to look at the image, and then I'm going to conceal several things. And as you can see, I've done it with colors, so I can say, can you remember what was on the blue dot? Can you remember what was under the yellow dot and the green dot? And I might go back, give another chance for them to have a look, and then using the tools from my PowerPoint, what I'm doing is concealing and getting them to guess what was there. So I may say what was under the green dot. Again, we're revising colors, and it was the bananas. So as you can see, this tiny little activity again is good to get children focused on what they need to be doing online, and also directing them to listening and speaking activities. So again, this was a very short little video showing you how to use the free resource from Jolly Learning, and I hope it's been helpful and you've enjoyed it. Thanks again. Bye for now.